Hey guys, Austin with Measure Square here, and today we're going to cover Measure Square 8, specifically a new feature for auto-detecting your blueprint scale, and I'll show you how that works. So we'll start off by going into our program and importing an image. We're going to take Duke Tower here, open that one right up. I'll just bring all these in, and then you can see we got that new button over on the top right for Detect Blueprint Scale. We'll click that, and then we'll just do a quick double check. So it is a beta feature, it's brand new, so you just want to verify that each of these pages have been read appropriately, so that way when we bring that into the project, it's going to be all good to go. So everything's looking good here. All right, and now we have our plan successfully imported into Scale. Quick and easy. Thanks so much for joining me today. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I'll see you in the next one.